Hi children, today we are going to do something very interesting. We are still doing on nouns. I'm going to give you sentence. That means you should learn to read the full sentence. Then identify the noun in the sentence and look at the picture too. Then we'll underline the noun that you have identified. It's a very interesting exercise. Underline. Please read this with me. Underline the noun. In one sentence, there will be only one noun. So you underline the noun in the sentence. So we are going to read, we are going to identify the noun. Shall we? Good. So here, let's look at our first sentence. Look, lovely picture of a little boy. What's a boy doing? He's got a sipper, he's sipping up some water, he's feeling very hot. Now, you have a sentence here. The sentence begins with a capital letter and a full stop. Let us identify the noun in the sentence. Read. I am a boy. Read it again. I am a boy. Who is telling I am a boy? This little boy is telling I am a boy. So where is the noun? Boy. What do? Underline the noun. Very good. So you identify the noun. The little one says, I am a boy. Boy is a noun. Now what kind of noun? Person. Very good. Very good. So we enjoyed the first exercise. Reading. I am a boy. Underlining the boy. Boy is a person. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Look what you have here. What's the little boy doing? He's playing with the top here. Oh, he's so happy that he can make his top go round and round and watch it. Now, let us read the sentence. I play with a top. What does the little one say? The boy says, I play with a top. Where is the top? Here. What is the top? Good. Top is a noun. So we underline top. What noun is that? Thing. Yes, it is a thing. It's a toy. It's a thing. So we identify it. Read it again. I play with a top. And top is a noun. It's a thing. And here is the top. The little boy is enjoying himself. Did you like the exercise? Yes. Let's take another picture. Let's look at the sentence. Read the sentence. Good. Look at this picture. Who's there here? Lots of children. They're jumping, they're laughing. Yes? What is this? Let's look at the sentence. Let's read the sentence. We play in the park. Who is that we? Children. The children are saying, we play in the park. What place is this? Park. So which is the noun here? Park. Park is what kind of noun? Place. Excellent. So we underline park. Park is the noun here and it's a place. A place you go to enjoy, to play, to meet your friends. Yes? So in this picture, this is a park and park is a noun. It's a place. Let's read the sentence again. We play in the park. Who says? All these children. Did you like the exercise? Let's go on to another new picture. Look at the beautiful picture you have. Lovely green leaf and the little thing sitting on top of it. What is that? A tiny, colorful insect sitting, black and red insect sitting on the leaf. What is the name of this insect? Ladybird. Yes, very good. Let's read the sentence. This is a ladybird. This is a ladybird. Where's the ladybird sitting? The ladybird is sitting on a green leaf. Where is the noun now? Identify. Yes, the noun is ladybird. We underline. Ladybird is a noun. What noun? It's an animal. Tiny little animal. Yes, very good. So we learn to identify the noun. We learn to look at the beautiful, colorful picture of the lovely ladybird. This is a ladybird, and the ladybird is a tiny little insect, and it is an animal, tiny animal, and ladybird is a noun. We underline that. Did you enjoy? Good. Let's go on to a new picture. This is something you love to eat. Yummy. Full flesh and juicy. What is it? Mango. Yes. Let's read the sentence. The mango is ripe. Certainly. Nice ripe mango. The mango is ripe. Ready to eat. Are you ready to eat? Yes, you are ready to take the mango and eat it. Oh, yummy. Now, the mango is ripe. Where is the noun? Identify the noun. Good. Mango. Mango is the noun here. And we underline mango. Now what noun is that? Thing. Yes, it is a thing. Good. So you are happy? Read it again. The mango is ripe. And mango is the noun. You identify and you underline. It's a thing. Very good. Let us go on to another picture. Look what we have here. Oh, we have a little boy. What's he saying? I am going to school. He's very happy. What is the little boy saying? Read the sentence with me. I am going to school. In the sentence, identify the noun. Good. You identify the noun. What is it? School. So what do you do now? Underline school. So that, because it's a noun. Okay, we underline. Now what kind of noun is that? Place. A happy place you go and learn. School is a noun. It's a place. So the little boy is going to that happy place to join his friends. Let's get on to a new picture. What is the little girl saying? I am eating an apple. What is she saying? I am eating an apple. And here she is biting away the crunchy, juicy apple. Let's look at the sentence and identify the noun. I am eating an apple. Where is the noun in the sentence? Good, apple. And we underline apple because that's a noun in the sentence. And then what kind of noun? Apple is a thing. Very good. Are you becoming clever? Are you enjoying the exercise? Okay, let's get on to another picture. Look, let's read the sentence. Identify the noun. Now, what is this? It's a picture of a ship. Where does the ship go? It goes on the sea. It sails on the sea. Let us read the sentence. The ship is sailing. The ship is sailing. Look at the sentence. Identify the noun. Good. Ship. Ship. So what we do? Underline the noun ship. Underline the noun ship, and the ship is a thing. Very good. Let's take another picture. What is this? Your house. Yes, it's your house. Let's read the sentence. This is a house. What is this? House. Now, in the sentence, which is the noun, point out, this is a house. The noun is house. So we underline the word house. Now what is house? Place. A place where you live in. A happy place. Place. This is a house. House is the noun. In the sentence, house is the noun. We underline. Shall we? Okay, here we are. We underline. What is a house? It's a place. Look, beautiful. It's a house at night. All the lights are on and everybody is inside. Let's look at another picture. Let's identify the noun in the sentence. Shall we? Yes. Look. You see here a picture of a moon at night and the moon is shining. Let's read the sentence. The moon is shining. What is happening to the moon? The moon is shining. Where is the moon? Up in the sky. The moon is shining. In the sentence, where is the noun? Moon. The word moon is the noun and we underline because that's a noun you identified. Okay? So now, what is a moon? It's a thing. Very good. So, lovely. When do you see the moon? You see it at night in the sky. Yes? Good. So, moon is a noun and it's a thing. Shall we go on to another picture? Did you enjoy the exercise? Yeah, it's very interesting, isn't it? Look at the lovely picture of a hill. What is this? A picture of a hilltop. Let's read the sentence. This is a hilltop. What is this? This is a hilltop. Identify the noun in the sentence. Hill. Yes. What is a hill? A race ground. Hill. And what do we do with that noun? We underline the noun. Which is the noun? Hill. Good. Now what is that? What is hill? It's a place. Place. You like to go to the hilltop? Yes. Lovely. This is a hilltop. Hill is the noun and it's a place. Did you enjoy? Shall we go to another picture? Good. Look, there's a little cot here and the little boy is sleeping. Let's read the sentence. Do you sleep? When do you sleep during the day? When you're not well? Yes. Tom is sleeping. What is Tom doing? Tom is sleeping. Where is he sleeping? He's sleeping in his own cot. He's not caught up yet. Probably Tom is sick. Tom is sleeping. Identify the noun. Good. Tom. We underline Tom. Tom is a noun and is a person. Tom is a person. Did you enjoy the exercise? Yes. Good. Let's go on to another picture. Look. What do you see in the sky? A little bird flying. Do you like to look at the birds flying? Yes. They form nice pattern. Look at the wings all stretched out. Would you like to be a bird flying? Yes. Shall we read the sentence? The bird is flying. What is the bird doing? The bird is flying. In the sentence, the bird is flying. Can you identify the noun? Good. What is it? Bird. Bird is the noun in the sentence. So we underline the bird in the sentence. That's a noun. What kind of noun? It's an animal. Yes, bird is an animal. It flies in the sky. So you learn to identify the noun and you're able to say it's an animal. Good. Do you enjoy? Are you enjoying the exercise? Shall we look at another picture? Good. Here we are. What do you see? A little place with water. Yes? Let's read the sentence. This is a pool. What pool is this? Swimming pool. Yes, this is a swimming pool. What do you do in that? You learn to swim, you bathe, you have fun. Yes, it's a small swimming pool. Now, read the sentence. This is a pool. Identify the noun. Good. Pool. That's a noun. What is it? What kind of noun? It's a swimming pool is a place. Yes, it's a place where you go to learn to swim and enjoy yourself. So we underline the word pool. Did you enjoy the exercise? You learned to read and you learned to identify the noun and underline. Was it enjoyable? Yes.